Do you need help?
Well, I'm done now. We're in Oxnard right now. We're doing a 2014 Honda Accord Hybrid transmission drain and refill, and she wants us to clean the battery terminals as well. So, car's right over there. Gonna go ahead and put it up on ramps. I didn't bring jacks and jack stands this time because it takes long. It's nice to work here. It's not crowded or anything. Oh, it does need cleaning. Alright, so while the transmission's draining, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the terminals. Be proficient, guys. New tool. Alright, terminals are nice and clean, no more corrosion. We're gonna go ahead and spray anti-corrosion on it.
Look at the battery, 2018.
The battery is 2018 as well, so it's already been 5 years. So we're gonna go ahead and check the condition of the battery while we're filling up the transmission. So this model of an Accord for the hybrid, the transmission requires 2.5 quarts of ATF DW1. Again, I can't stress it enough. Whenever you guys are replacing fluids, always use OE fluids. That's what the manufacturer recommends. And we just want to do our jobs right. Right?
Right.
Right. So 2.5 quarts. Let's go ahead. Make sure it doesn't drip as well. I'll show you guys the points where to drain it and where to refill it right after this. So here's our drain plug. There's gonna be metal shards on there because this is a magnet. Make sure to clean that up. Just like that. Nice and clean. Also, there's a washer or a gasket on this drain plug. Right now, it's stuck onto the transmission. It is stuck right there. Gotta take that washer out if it gets stuck there and replace it. Here's our new washer. Always replace your crush washers. I'll leave the part number right here. Somewhere here. Here's our old one, new one on here already. The drain plug for this one is 36 foot-pounds of torque. I'm gonna go back up and now refill it. Refill it. Refill it. sure nothing's dripping. Make sure it's going into the fill hole. We did this in the driveway. First quart done. Just leave that on there. Now we're on our third bottle. We're only going to use half of it, so use the measurements on the side of the bottle. So it's very vital to make sure you put the right amount of fluid. Overfilling these types of transmissions may cause it to overheat. Make sure you put just the right amount.
Can we see the measurements again?
Here's the measurements. So it's 800 milliliters. We're going to stop by 400. But I'm going to add a little more because I spilled. Alright, so we have this dipstick. Luckily for this transmission, there is a dipstick. This goes right into the fill hole. I'll show you guys where the fill hole is. There's the fill hole right there. Yeah, right there. Show my finger. Right here. Hello. Won't focus. Well, you suck at focusing.
Yeah.
Right here. So there's the fill hole. Just use a long funnel to get access down there. It's pretty tight. That's where the dipstick goes into as well. Now there's two holes on the dipstick. One high, one low. You're supposed to check the fluids while it's in engine idle and while the fluid is in operating temperature. Put that dipstick back on there. And I'll show you guys where the drain plug is. So, drain plug is right over here. It's a 3/8 drive. Just loosen it with a breaker bar, take it out, and it'll drain your fluid. Alright, so right now I'm gonna check the voltage of the battery just because it's 2018, so it's reading 12.5 right now. It's not too bad. It's a little low, but it'll still work. This battery is definitely due. We'll check it while it's under load as well in a bit. So I'm gonna put the car down off the ramps and we'll check our fluid level for the transmission. Alright, so with the car on, we're gonna go ahead and check all our gears on the transmission right after we replace it. We're gonna go ahead, go to reverse, go to neutral, drive, and low, then back up. Make sure it doesn't shift rough. There's no grinding noise or anything. Okay, so we're gonna put the car down right now. Transmission seems to be good, so. Like my new car. Psych. I'm test driving it, see if there's anything weird with the transmission since fluids have been replaced. And yeah, I'll take it for a little test drive. I'm not taking you guys really because my tools are out there. Take care of my tools, guys. Peace out.
And he's back. How's the car?
This car's fast. It's like fast. It's faster than a Prius for sure. It's running on the hybrid battery right now. That's probably why it's so torquey. Now that the transmission should be in operating temperature. We're gonna add a little bit more. So while the transmission is hot, your fluid should be on this, in between this bottom dot and the top dot. That means it's in good fuel level. Good fluid level. Now while the car is on, I'm just gonna go check the charging condition. Well, it's not using the... I have to put it in maintenance mode. Battery terminal is good. Battery voltage is good. Fluid levels are also good. Give this back to the customer.
Do you need help?
Well, I'm done now. Alright guys, we just finished with the Accord. It's getting hot right now. But we're gonna go to our next customer, which is a 2002 Accord. He just wants a regular service on it, so oil change, inspections, and that's it. We'll go to there right now. There was a guy here. He was really nice. He saw us working on the car and he was like, hey, if you guys need any jacks or any tools or anything, let me know. You guys can borrow it. It was super chill, and then he was like, I need your help for a second to push the car. So we were pushing his car and then he popped his ankle. I was gonna give him a business card and everything too, but fuck, I hope the dude's okay. He was like, oh fuck, what was that? And then he's just smoking right now, sitting down. Shit. Should I have given him a business card or...